Yo, what's up, guys? Hold up. In today's video, I'm gonna be in my cafe. No, I'm kidding. As you can already tell, the title, and you can already tell about what the video is gonna be about. Oh, okay. So by the way, guys, I have a glitch. I don't know how to fix this. I can't really go in first person for some reason. Like, look, when I take away the camera, I'm in third person. This is really weird. Um, but yeah, I'm in my cafe right now. I'm kidding. I'm not in my cafe. I already said that. I know, right? Anyway, so I'm gonna be showing you every single Buckhorn Station, the 3 maps that got flooded. Oh, sorry, my bad. Island, playground, and boat battle. So yeah. So I'm gonna just. Oh, by the way, this is my green screen room. Yeah, so I don't know why I'm just in third person. Anyway, I hope you guys I hope you guys like just accept that. Yeah, actually I can just do this. Here, wait, does that work? Yeah, that works. Anyway, guys, okay, so first you're gonna wanna go to the playground. I mean, sorry, the start. Oh, okay, you're gonna wanna go to the starter house. Then over here, no way. Oh, oh, never mind. Hold up. And alright, so I'm gonna make this quick. Anyway, the first one in the playground is gonna be over here. In the water. Right here on his head. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you guys see it open. It should be just on his head. Then the second one is gonna be over here. Right here. Then wait, sorry, wait, I didn't show you. It's gonna be on his nose. Look, right here on his nose. Guys see that? Oh crap, hold up. Here. This should be literally like the title. Anyway, yeah, so, oh. So yeah, the next one is gonna be over here. You wanna go down over here? And if you see how there's a hatch, it should be right here. Yeah, right there. Okay, now the next one. Wait, okay. That's 3. Alright, your fourth one is gonna be over here. Hold up. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, sorry. Alright, this is your fourth one right here. Chest. Should see it up here. Hi, my hero. Oh my god, isn't that crazy? Wait, no. You know what? I'm gonna use the force. Okay, so now you want to go down over here. Cause yeah, why not? Now you want to turn over here, and now you see this little mermaid, right? You want to click on the nose. Is that too close, or is that good? Okay, I think that's too close. What's inside here? Tell me. Tell me, what do you see? Okay, I don't know. Anyway, right here, on his nose. Ah, down his nose. And then this little hatch should open. Alright, that's your first one. That's all in this map. Sorry, bro, I farted. Anyway, if you go over here, you want to go to Island. Watch this cool. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt or anything, but basically, I'm just here to say that you guys, I'm starting a little series thing where you guys give me video ideas of videos that I should make or YouTube shorts or whatever. So yeah, just do that in the comments, and yeah, back into the video. Here now. And wait, now you guys are gonna be in third person. Do this. I cannot see you. You're literally behind me. Hack. Alright, so the first one's gonna be in the pirate ship. Yeah. Alright, you're gonna want to go down over here. What up? Oh wait, this is way too close. Alright, so right here, you want to go down the stairs in the pirate ship. Right here, just take the cotton away. Cotton things, and then here, chest. You know, you want to go down over here. Oh crap, hold up. You want to go down over here for your second one. It's gonna be over here. Down in here. Yeah. Wait, on his nose. Look, on his nose again. Okay, so now the next one, you're gonna want to go up here. And, this tree right here. This one's a little bit hard, alright? So, this tree right here. Over here. So basically, wait, can you see that? Okay, so we're, sorry, I fell. Hold up. Where are you? Here, right here. You see how there's a hatch? You want it, just kind of look around, like right on the corner here or something. Oh, can you see that good? Okay, hold up. Let's see. Okay, if you guys can't really see that, that's a bush, basically. Hold up, let me... Hold up. Okay, look, so basically, over there, like, you want to go on this tree over here. And then this coconut right here, just look on the top, like, over there or something. Just look on the top, and then you should see it. Hi. Alright, your third one. I'm just gonna need to skip through this real quick. Alright, so the next one's gonna be right here, basically, in the cave over here. Where I just ended the video right here. Wanna go over here. And then, yeah, there's that one. Alright, now you're... Hold up. That one. Tree. That one, that one. Alright, so your final one, you're gonna want to go over here. Now you should see this little cave over here. With that. And you want to see this little curl here, right? Click on his head. I don't know what's a curl. What? Curl! Edit the words curl. And pearl. Yeah, editor. And then you're gonna want to go over here. Yeah, I was kidding. Yeah, well, anyway. Now, watch this cool transition to the boat battle. Watch this. I know, so cool, right? Ooh, did I scare you? I know I did. Anyway, so the first one is gonna be... Alright, over here. In this map. Over here. In here. Hold up. Alright, you're gonna be in first person in for a second. Sorry, 1 second. 1 second. Alright, sorry, I just had to break through a wall real quick. Okay, where are my camera? Alright, here. Right here. You wanna break through this with something, then right there. Now watch this, bro. Cool. Watch me exactly. Like, see this? I want to show you guys another cool transition. I'm gonna be right there. See, look at this. Now I'm over here. I just phased. Now you're just gonna want to go to this boat. Ugh. Crap. I'm gonna skip through this again. Alright, basically now you're gonna want to be over here on the boat here, on the red boat, and in here again. Watch this, bro. See this gun, bro? Yo, I need my camera, bro. See, I phased. Now here. Right there. Anyway, I'm gonna show you another cool transition. See, wasn't that so cool? Anyway, so the next one, the next 3 final ones, you're gonna want to go down here into the shipwreck. And then now this Curl Pearl. I dropped my controller, okay, bro. Alright, now on his head. Yeah! Alright, now the next one. Bro, watch this, bro. Alright, so the next one's gonna be in this sand castle right here. You're gonna wanna go over here. And then right on his nose. Hold up, you guys didn't see it. On his nose. Let's see. Hold up, that's too close. Is that better? Let me see. Are you guys okay? Hold on. Is that better? Why is your upside down? Oh, cause that is upside down. I'm stupid. Anyway, let's go out this way. I don't like the door. Now you see that skull head? We need to go there. Inside the skull, right? Now over here, it was way too dark here. Hold up, let me hold up. Oh, watch this. You know what? Okay, hold up. There needs to be light. You know what? Yo, I'm skipping the part real quick because it's way too dark. You know what? Watch this, bro. I'm gonna make there be light. Ready? 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 Boom! 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 See? Wasn't that so cool? Now there's light here. Right? Yep. Hold up. We need more light. 3, 2, 1, and boom! See, now there's paint. I mean, there's light. Anyway, so yeah, there's gonna be a little opening right here, button here, and yeah. I'm gonna end the video off right here. I hope this helped you out, guys. And yeah. I don't know.